Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fusion brake light. First, identify which brake light is out. You will need a small flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool and a new bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is turned completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety before you begin any work. Now, open your trunk to gain access to the rear of the tail light assembly. You will need to gently pull back the carpet liner on the side where the brake light is located. This will expose the back of the tail light housing. Look for the specific bulb socket that corresponds to your brake light. To remove the old bulb, twist its socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn and pull it straight out. Then, gently pull the old bulb directly from the socket. Take your new dual filament bulb, commonly a 7443 or 4157 type, and push it firmly into the socket. Remember to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands to prevent oil transfer. Before reassembling, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new light is working correctly. Once confirmed, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and turn it clockwise 1/4 turn to lock it in place. Finally, carefully reposition the trunk carpet liner and close your trunk. You've successfully changed your brake light.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.